Hi, hey guys, this is Deborah Charles here, aka DD Charles, and tonight I'm on this video because I want to share with you some content marketing strategies. If you are an affiliate marketer new to the affiliate marketing game, or if you are struggling affiliate marketer or marketer who is looking for ways to get content to share with your audience. And tonight we're going to talk about five. I have five strategies, but I'm going to do the first one tonight, and I'm going to do the other one in the other four series. This is a sort of series, so it's going to be spread it out. But before I get started with my content, I want to say thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, then go ahead and hit the button below, the like, comment, and subscribe button. And also over there, somewhere down there, is the notification bell. Hit that bell so that when I come on, you will be notified that I'm on doing content like this to share with you. My name is Deborah Charles. I am the CEO of Success with DD, where I inspire, motivate, and certainly appreciate other online marketers, newbie marketers, home-based business owners, and affiliate marketers who are just like me, who have decided to jump out of their comfort zone, kick life back in the butt, and build or gain financial freedom through leveraging social media. I am so excited tonight to bring you this information because truly I have struggled over the years that I have been a marketer online on finding content that or I thought I needed to struggle, but it was only because I just didn't realize that content is everywhere and people are looking for ways to leverage it so that they can gain some financial freedom. So tonight we're gonna talk about the first one, which is out of the five that I have. The first one is product reviews. When I was doing some research, I found out that through the Content Marketing Institute, they stated that product reviews is the very best way to get your type of content marketing that can get your income up and you get sales because of the fact that you sharing information about a product and that you hopefully have researched yourself and know gain some knowledge on how this product works actually so that you can share with your audience. As affiliate marketers, we know that our goal is to make sure that we provide get information. If we're doing product reviews, we review product information that will convert our readers into buyers so we can make a commission, right? Right. So if you want to leverage the power of a product review, then there are some things that you have to set in place in order to get started. But you can do it. Okay. So how do we do it? How do we do it the right way? So the first thing you need to do, because you're gonna share this content with your audience. So this is part of your content marketing strategy. You want to first target your audience. You want to know who you gonna purchase it, look at this product for, and who you gonna get all this great information to. You gonna so you target your audience. You want to look into what this audience needs, what brings them the most fulfillment in a product. So you're gonna do your target market. You're gonna make sure that this you're going to give them relevant information, highlighting the features and the benefit of the product according to their needs. And if they are interested in the product, 99% of the time, if you do any of those things, then if they are interested, they usually go ahead and appreciate it and purchase the product. And then you need to learn about the product. You need to learn all the ins and the outs of the product. You want to know how the product, if it's some type of health and wellness product. You want to know what the drawbacks on it, whether it have allergy resistance or anything like that that you can bring to the table to tell your audience about. Doing honestly do an honest evaluation of what the product is, and this helps you to give your audience an authentic and real review. The next thing you want to do is you want to talk about the downsides. And sometimes, if we trying to make sales or whatever, and I don't think it's purposely done, but sometimes people forget that we don't want to be there to make a sale, which we are in online marketers. That is our thing, to make sales. But you want to have some integrity. You want to be honest, and you want to be where if you were on the other side of the table and you was the customer, someone will give you some correct and good information that will help you out. Now, talking about the drawbacks is not a bad idea, because it might not be something harsh about the product. It might be the deliverability of the product. The owner might not deliver at the time that they say. You can give your audience a little hints about, hey, you might need to check this out. There could be delays where they said that they will get the product in, and then even with that, it could be that it's being shipped from a longer distance or whatever. But you want to give the audience, the buyer, a good, knowledgeable information that will be positive towards the product, if there's not anything really major that will cause them some harm or anything like that. So, because if it's a good product, the positive about it is going to stand on its own anyway. So you want to talk about the downsides of the product. Then you want to show, the best way I can think of is that you want to, if you're doing a product review, show some pictures, uh, uh, preferably some that's in color, because I know that I'm one of those people that when I'm on Facebook or when I'm looking through magazines or something, I'm fascinated by colors, pinks and blues and all burnt oranges and stuff like that. Those are some of the colors that really gets me visually. So I know that there are people who enjoy seeing something visual. So, and then like I said, when you're on Facebook and those things are there, people are scrolling down, but 99% of the time, those pictures catch their attention, and then you got your product reviews stuff up there, and you're talking about it, so they can read the product review along with you. So use your visual pictures and things like that to help you to gain the attention of your audience. Then ask yourself, is this review useful and helpful for my audience? Not everybody else's audience, because remember, you're not going to try to sell this product to everybody. You are selling it. You are doing a review with people that know, like, and trust you. So you are before your audience, and you giving a review of this product. So you want to give a product that is helpful and useful to them. Don't just want to sell so fast and so bad that you just tell them anything. You tell them that this is a good product when you really haven't reviewed it to see if it is a good product or not. So give a good, honest answer, and give some good insights on what you're reviewing, so your audience will get an understanding of what the product is, how it can enhance their lives, and they can do better things with it. So, because remember, as affiliate marketers, affiliate marketing really is the easiest way to make income online. And so using a product review as a way to leverage your content is a great idea. So you could be putting information before your audience, and they will be gaining knowledge, and then you'll be sharing content. So I hope you got some value from this video, and that you can uh, like, comment, and share if you have some information that you need to be clarified on it. Then just send me comment in the box and down below. I'm coming in the box down below this video, so that I can get back with you. And if you're someone on here who are contemplating on starting an affiliate marketing business, which is the number one thing that I recommend as a to get started in, it's easy for new beginners to get started because you don't have to have any money to get started. You don't have to have a website or anything like that. You just need a willingness to put in the work and get started. So if you're someone who's willing or needing information on becoming an affiliate marketer or just needing marketing information, period, then go ahead and leave a comment below, or you can look me up on Facebook, and I will get back with you on any information that you might need. Uh, and so with that being said, I'm going to end this video, and I hope you all have a good evening. Bye-bye.